Good morning, third grade. I wanted to go over your mid-chapter checkpoint before I go on with the next lesson. We went over the first two. The distance around a shape is a perimeter, and the measure of the number of unit squares needed to cover the shape with no gaps or overlaps is area. On 3 and 4, it said find the perimeter of the shape, and each unit is 1 centimeter. So number 3 is 16 centimeters. Number 4 is 14 centimeters. Find the unknown side lengths. Well, we know that the total amount altogether perimeter is 33, and we have one side that's 10, another side that's 10, that's 20, another side is 6, that's 26, plus 4 more is 30. 30 minus 33 equals 3. So side G is 3 centimeters. On number 6, the total perimeter is 32. We have two sides that are 12 and 12, that's 24. 24 minus 32 is 8. So we have each side having to be 4 feet. Find the area of the shape. Each unit square is 1 square meter. Upon counting all the square meters, you will find that you have 14 square meters. Number 8 is one that we can do length times width. 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and come up with 30 square meters. And number 9, Annie is making a lid for her rectangular jewelry box. The jewelry box has side lengths of 6 meters and 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters. What is the area of the lid? 6 times 4 is 24, so it's 24 square centimeters. Adrienne is decorating a square picture frame. She glued 36 inches of ribbon around the edge of the frame. What is the length of each side of the picture frame? Side plus side plus side. So 4 goes into 36, 9 inches. Margot will sweep a room. A diagram of the floor that she needs to sweep is shown at the right. What is the area? Upon counting all the squares, it's 27 square units. Jeff is making a poster for a car wash for the Campout Club. What is the perimeter of the poster? Side plus side plus side plus side. It is 8 feet. A rectangle has two side lengths of 8 inches and two side lengths of 10 inches. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Well, 2 times 10 is 20, and 2 times 8 is 16, and 20 plus 16 is 36. Go back and correct your errors if you had any. I want to go over chapter 11, lesson 7. And my essential question is, how can you use the strategy find a pattern to solve an area problem? I'm trying to get it to come in a little better. I think I want to do that. There we go. Mr. Coy wants to build storage buildings. So he drew plans for the building. He wants to know how the areas of the buildings are related. How will the areas of buildings A be? How will the areas of buildings C and D change? Use the graphic organizer to help you. What do I need to find? I need to find how the areas will change from A to B and then from C to D. What information do I need to use? I need to use the length and width of each building to find its area. How will I use this information? I will record the areas in a table. Then I will look for a pattern to see how the areas will change. I will complete the table to find patterns to show the problem. Building A, the length is 3 feet and the width is 4 feet, as we can see up here. So 3 times 4 is 12 square feet. On building B, the length is 3 feet and the width is 8 feet. 3 times 8 equals 24. In building C, the length is 6 feet and the width is 4 feet. 6 times 4 is 24. And on building D, the width is 6 feet, the length is 6 feet and the width is 8 feet. And 6 feet times 8 feet is 48 square feet. I see the length will be the same and the width will be doubled. The areas will change from 12 square feet to 24 square feet. So we go from 4 to 8, from 4 to 8, and from 24 square feet to 48 square feet. The areas will be doubled. Let's look at another. Try another problem. Mr. Coy is building more storage buildings. He wants to know how the areas of the buildings are related. How will the areas of buildings EF change? How will the areas of buildings GH change? Use the graphic organizer to help you. What do I need to find? I need to find the change from EF to GH. What information will I use? I will use the length and the width of each building. And how will I use this information? I will record the areas in a table. Then I will look for a pattern to see how the areas will change. Building E, the length is 5 foot up here, and the width is 8 foot. So 5 times 8 is 40. Building G, the length is 10 foot and the width is 8 foot. 10 times 8 is 80 square foot. Building F, the length is 5 foot and the width is 4 foot. So the square foot is 20. Building H, the length is 10 foot and the width is 4 foot. So 10 times 4 is 40 square foot. The lengths will be the same and the widths will be halved. The areas will change from 20 square feet, from 40 square feet to 20 square feet because of the widths being halved. So when the lengths are the same and the widths are halves, the area will be halved or come down by half. How did your table help you find a pattern? Well, the table helped me see the multiplication needed to find the area. Then I was able to more easily compare the length to see how they change. Let's look at share and show. Under share and show, it says, use the table. Many pools come in rectangular shapes. How do the areas of the swimming pools change when the widths change? Well, complete the table by finding the area of each pool. Then find a pattern to show the lengths, how the lengths change and how the widths change. The length stays the same, okay? 8, 8, 8, 8. So the length stays the same. The widths increase by 10 feet. 20, 30, 40, 50. Last, describe a pattern of how the area changes. And the areas increase 160, 240, 320, and 400. The areas increase by 80 square feet. Number 2 says, what if the length of each pool was 16 feet? Explain how the areas would change. The areas would double. Now the last one says, Elizabeth built a sandbox that is 4 feet long and 4 feet wide. She also built a flower garden that is 4 feet long and 6 feet wide. She will build a vegetable garden that is 4 feet long and 8 feet wide. How do the areas change? The areas of the sandbox is 16 square feet, 4 times 4. The area of the flower garden is 24, 4 times 6. And the area of the vegetable garden is 32, 4 times 8. The area is increased by 8 square feet. Now, I will let you do on your own. And then tomorrow, we will go on to 11.8. But for today, finish on your own in your big book, and then do the practice book 11.7. Thank you.